The type of juicer you use can determine how much you enjoy the preparation process and even how much juice you get from the vegetables and fruits you include. You need a juicer that's efficient and can easily press juice from any fruit or vegetable, including green leafy vegetables and soft fruits. I've owned Tribest brand juicers for the past 15 years, and I've always known them to be the best juicers on the market. I'm excited about their latest model, the Greenstar Elite. It's the world's only juice extractor that uses a revolutionary advanced jumbo twin gear set and a 3-stage juicing process: crushing, mixing, and pressing, which offers you not only the freshest tasting juice from your produce, but also maximizes your juice yields from various fruits and vegetables compared to any other juicer. I love the new modern, lightweight, streamlined look. It looks great on my kitchen counter. Let's take a look at the parts of this juicer. There's fewer parts with this juicer, and therefore it's easier to clean, and I love that. This safety hood also works to cradle all your juicing parts after you juice so that they don't take up space drying on your counter. The juicer assembles and disassembles with one snap, so it's really easy. Here we have the fine juicing screen. This is the screen that I use for most juices. If you like to have a little bit of pulp in your juice, you can also fit the juicer with the coarse screen. This works well for tomato juice or orange juice when you want a little bit of the pulp. But for most juices, I use the fine screen. Another option is you can fit the juicer with the blank plate. This is what you would use when you want to puree your ingredients rather than juice them. So for example, let's say I want to make ice cream. I could put frozen fruits through the juicer fitted with the blank plate. I could put frozen bananas, mangoes, peaches, strawberries, any fruit you like, and I would end up with delicious soft serve ice cream. Now these are the twin gears. You can see that they're not sharp at all. They're not blades. They're not going to cut the greens. They're going to gently press the greens. And that's going to preserve the maximum nutrition and flavor from the greens. It's also going to allow you to get the maximum amount of juice out of your greens. So I'll go ahead and put the juicer back together. You want to make sure that you cut the greens and vegetables so that they fit the chute of the juicer. The celery is already going to fit fine, so I don't need to cut it at all.
What is the truth about life? It is not long ago that I finally realized life is a gorgeous banquet. Less is more. For example, life should be simple. All of your upset can be done in one click and could be full of nutrition. It's a beautiful day. Aicok, enjoy my life. Home essentials.